Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, this is the machine. So this is the machine. This is place where you put the water. This is the filter for coffee. So you add the coffee inside here. Then you close. Can you add the coffee or tea? It depends. Then so when it will filter, so it will fill here the filtered coffee or tea, and then your tea or coffee will be ready to drink. So this is the way you can check the level of water. As you can see, I put just a little bit the water, the coffee or tea inside the filter. Then over there your coffee will be ready to drink. You put just the sugar or whatever you want, and this is the switch for on and off. That is all. I think it's beautiful, simple. So yeah, that's all. If you like video like this, please like, subscribe, share. See, you see, this is on. So water. Check the level of water. Depending how many glasses of water do you want. Inside here, you feel it? Inside here, you see, it's hot water. Inside here, the coffee. So inside there, the coffee. Then it will filter like that, you see. So how it's the way it's working. You put water, filter that I showed you before, coffee or tea, whatever you want. Then they will take water here, filter the tea or coffee to be like this, you see. So after that, your coffee will be or tea or will be ready to drink. You take it out like this, and then yeah, you see, it goes from here. Oh, that is all, you see.